Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve few case-based problems from the board exam paper of mathematics here, and we'll start with the first one. A ball is thrown in the air so that t seconds after it is thrown, its height is h meters above its starting point is given by the polynomial h equal to 25t minus 5t square. Now the first problem here, write the zeros of the given polynomial. Now here, one coordinate where it intersects the x-axis is 5, 0. So one of the zeros will be 5. Another one, the coordinates is not given, but it is shown that it goes to the origin. So the point is 0, 0, and the x coordinate here is 0. So the two zeros will be 0 and 5. Now going to the second part here, find the maximum height achieved by the ball. Now here we can see that the maximum height is over here, but the coordinate given here at the bottom is 5 by 2, 0, and we know that any point on this line will have the x coordinate to be the same. We need to find the y coordinate here, and y coordinate will represent nothing but h value. So here we substitute the value of t as 5 by 2. So we have h equal to 25 into 5 by 2 minus 5 into 5 by 2 the whole square. Opening the brackets, we get 125 by 2 minus 125 by 4, which is nothing but 125 by 4, which after simplifying we get it as 31.25. We got to stick with the units, which is meters. Going to the third part, after throwing upward, how much time did the ball take to reach to the height of 30 meters? In the third part, the value of h is given as 30 meters. We need to figure out how much time it takes. So h is given as 30 meters. So we have 30 equal to 25t minus 5t square. We'll get it to the standard form. 5t square minus 25t plus 30 equal to 0. Divide the equation with 5. We get t square minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. And factorizing this, we will end up with, therefore the values of t is equal to 2 or t is equal to 3. Now we need to understand the graph here. The ball reaches a height of, let us say, 30 meters at t equal to 2 seconds. Then in 1 second, it's going to reach its maximum height and come down here and once again be at the same height of 30 meters. So to reach the height of 30 meters, we take 2 seconds. And then to return back to 30 meters, we take a time of 3 seconds. So 2 seconds will be our answer. Now third B. Find the two different values of t when the height of the ball was 20 meters. Now h is given as 20 and it goes exactly the same way. So we get 20 equal to 25t minus 5t square. Getting it to standard form. 5t square minus 25t plus 20 equal to 0. Divide the equation with 5. We end up with t square minus 5t plus 4 equal to 0. Factorizing this, we will end up with t minus 4 into t minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of t is equal to 4 seconds or t is equal to 1 second. Going to the next case-based problem. In a survey on holidays, 120 people were asked to state which type of transport they used in their last holiday. The following pie chart shows the results of the survey. Now, one thing we need to understand about a pie chart is the area of the sector represents the number of people. So we need to find area of each sector using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Now the angle is given as 177, so we calculate the area representing car. Same way for bus and ship. Now for train and aeroplane, the angles are not given, so we will take it as theta 1 and theta 2. And then we get the remaining two areas as well. Now going to the first part, if one person is selected at random, find the probability that he or she traveled by bus or ship. Now probability of ship or bus will be area representing bus plus area representing ship divided by the total area. area representing bus will be 36 by 360 into pi r square plus 33 by 360 into pi r square divided by total area of a circle, which is pi r square. We take pi r square common. Now pi r square gets cancelled. 36 plus 33, that is 69. Simplifying this with 3 tables, we get it as 23 by 120. This will be the probability. Now going to the second part, which is the most favorite mode of transport and how many people used it. Now clearly the area is highest in car region, so probability, the favorite mode of transport will be car, and how many people use this will be probability of car into total number of people. Now probability of car, we have to use the formula, and total number of people is 120, so let us apply it. This represents the probability of car. Now total number of people is 120. Pi r square gets cancelled. We'll be left with 177 by 360 into 120. 120 and 360 cancels 3 times. 3 cancels 177 59 times. So we have 59 people using car. Now going to the last part, a person is selected at random. If the probability that he or not use train is 4 by 5, then find the number of people that use train. Now if probability of not using train is 4 by 5, so probability of using train will be 1 minus probability of not using train. That will be 1 minus 4 by 5, which is 1 by 5. So the number of people using train will be probability of train into total number. That will be 1 by 5 into 120, that is 24. Now going to the B part of the third one itself, the probability that randomly selected person used aeroplane is 7 by 60. If the find the revenue collected by the air company at the rate of rupees 5,000 per person. So first we need to find total number of people, same process. So we have probability of aeroplane into total number of people, that will be 14 people. So the total revenue will be equal to 14 into 5,000, that will be 70,000 rupees. This is the end of the problem. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe.